Hello everyone, it's me again. So in this video I'll get you familiar with Codesandbox. It's basically an online environment for writing any kind of applications. It's very cool. You can write React, Angular, Vue, pre-React, and they have support for other frameworks and libraries. So from now on I'm going to be writing all the component projects in here just to make it easier for you guys to follow. You can come over here and check out the stuff I write, or you can, without having to download or anything, download the project files and stuff, or you can just go to Codesandbox and open an account with them. It's free, and create your own components. So let's get started. So to create a React project, over here you click on the plus, and it prompts you for libraries or frameworks. Obviously I'm going to choose React because this is what we're doing, and this is it's generating the project files and everything. So this is what we get. So we can actually edit this and say hello world, and it'll show hello world. Compile, and this is updating, as you can see. See again, see some magic. Okay, so this is the view. It is very simple and nice. You can also download dependencies. If you come over here, add dependency, you can look for dependencies like, let's say, Bootstrap, and as you can see, it's Bootstrap over here. You can download it, and now it is included in your dependencies. As you can see, you have Bootstrap, React, React DOM, and React Script. So now you can import Bootstrap and start using it. So if you say import Bootstrap, could not find dependency Bootstrap. Okay, I just have to spell it. Bootstrap. Okay, could not find dependencies jQuery relative. Okay, so Bootstrap is dependent on jQuery, so you can, if you want, you can download jQuery. You can download jQuery, and this, I believe this will resolve it, or you might have to download Popper.js as well. Popper.js. And now it should be working. Or you can just download the CSS, only the CSS. So if you come to Bootstrap, you can just import the CSS, minified CSS. You don't have to download any. So if you come to Webpack and you go to, I believe it's somewhere in here. Over here. So if you copy and go over here, paste it. So just comment this out, and this is only the CSS. You don't have to download jQuery, so you can remove jQuery, Popper.js, and this will still work. You see over here, and now let's say let's have this as a button. Okay, and let's give it a class name of btn dash primary. And as you can see, it's working. Now we have a button over here. So yeah, it's very easy, simple to use, and very nice, very minimalistic view. And you see you have all these options. You can sign up with GitHub and upload, push all your files or all your projects to GitHub. If you want to pull some project from GitHub, you can also additionally name your project over here. So you can React dash intro. You can give it a name, Also, you can upload, I believe you can upload, yes, upload files. If you have files or folders, something you want to upload, like an image or something, you can upload it through this, and it's very nice. You can move the browser, resize it, move it wherever you want to. You can show the console too if you want to, so you can pop it up in another tab, or you can show the console if you come over here, console, and this is the console. So if you want to console log something, and it'll console log it over here. So it's very nice. If you want to create some files, you can upload files or create files, rename, create folders. So let's say app.js, and you have app.js. You can import React, oops, it is messing up because I have a lot of stuff open. So anyways, yes, that's the gist of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.